Hey guys, so today's video is kind of exciting for me because I'm going to do my makeup. So I just came home from school and suddenly I feel the need to actually make a makeup tutorial, and I honestly don't know why, but I have my coffee. I want to sleep so bad. I have zero motivation for life right now. But today I'm going to do a galaxy makeup tutorial. This is the best mirror that I can actually found in this whole dorm. Probably that's enough rambling and let's just do my makeup. I'm really beautiful. No, just kidding. I don't have motivation. Why? So first we're going to use a concealer, and actually I have a lot of blemishes, as you can see. Well, I have a lot of acne. I'm not having blemishes, I have acne. But it's really hard for me to actually kind of cure my acne, so yeah. Let's just cover it up because then people would not see it at all. And that's the best that we can do, because just trying to get rid of it takes months, and this concealer would take you about like 15 seconds, so let's just do this. So we're gonna conceal my under eye bags. And yep, I'm not going to use a foundation just because I don't have one, and I'm basically saving my money for Black Friday. Now I look like a ghost. Or no, I don't look like a ghost. I think it's gonna make my skin actually worse because skin is actually not tolerating any makeup, but I love makeup, and that doesn't stop me from actually making a makeup tutorial. A lot of concealers. With the damn beauty blender, we're just going to blend this out. Acne sucks, and probably I would make a video about it, like why acne sucks. And if you guys actually have a clear skin, that's actually a blessing from God and Jesus Christ and the Holy Spirit. Okay, I'm making this shitty makeup tutorial, but like seriously, I don't have a bronzer, and I also doesn't my English is just like falling apart. Don't have a highlighter, so yep. Ow, when my nails scratch my skin and I'm just like, ow. This is the only powder that I have. I have this Pond's Angel Face. Oh, nice camera. Pour it. I need to put it under my eye. I'm going to put it until here because I have huge acne, so no point, ain't doing that today. I hope I'm actually talking loud to the camera, just because last time I filmed a video, no one could actually hear my voice. That's probably not a good idea. I have the pencil, not focusing. Raise your eyebrows kind of, from the end of your eyebrows, like from the tail. So you're just gonna shape it like so. And also fill in a little bit, and then yep, like trace your eyebrows like that. The front, this is the front of your eyebrows, should be as natural as possible. I think eyebrows is all about preference, and there's nothing that you can do wrong with your eyebrows, because I've seen people that have really thin eyebrows, and then people that actually make really thick eyebrows. Okay, now with this I'm just going to fill those baby in. So we need to conceal it. dorm life. I don't have a spoon, so I'm going to blend this. Acne is showing, that's okay, because you gotta love yourself, and makeup actually make my skin kind of like dead. If you guys want to cover it up, it's all up to you, and yeah, it's up to you. What am I saying? Now I have my Morphe palette. This is actually my third video that I filmed. I actually said Morphe and it gives me anxiety that I actually said it wrong, so today I'm saying it right. Morphe. So I'm taking this brush, and because today look is a galaxy, I would use kind of like pinkish and then blue and what is galaxy? Purplish. Applying this, I'm going to tell you a story that yesterday my mom from the dorm, because she's not my real mom, actually she gave us pizza, and then she took the whole pizza and then put it on top of the table, and it triggers my anxiety so much that she's actually cutting the pizza right on top of the table. It's fucking disgusting, because like, first of all, you don't know what was on the top of the table before, and like, she's touching my food, literally touching my food. We're moving to the eyes. Like so. It kind of appears kind of like darker just because I think there's a lot of makeup. There's a lot of the residue from this, but I think it's good because then it's just going to actually match my galaxy mask kind of. So I'm just going to close it. Gonna put some blue right in the corner of it.
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know.
Morphe, please, if you like sell brushes, give the names, because a makeup beginner like me, I just don't understand all of this makeup brushes. We're going to go with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and the reason why I'm not using this directly, I haven't actually bought a sharpener for this, so that's why. final look. I cannot actually draw like the little stars because I don't have a liquid liner. But if you guys have a white liquid liner, you can actually draw like really precise star. But I'm actually really happy for this makeup look because it looks kind of cute and cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Comments down below what video we want to see. I love you guys all so much. To the moon and back, and goodbye because my battery is running low. So bye. Thanks.